Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Maddie Toum was born on September 13, 1997 in the United States. She will be 25 on September 13, 2022. Her astrological sign is Virgo. Maddie Toum stands 5 feet 8 inches tall or 172 centimeters, waist size, 35 inches or 88 centimeters, body type, voluptuous. She has a beautiful dark hair and brown eyes color, marital status, unknown, nationality, American. Maddie Toum was born and raised in the United States. She lives in Manhattan, New York. On May 2022, Maddie Toum graduated from New York State University. She began publishing on Instagram since June 2015 and kickstarted her modeling career the same year. She has modeled for several brands like Abercrombie, Amazon Fashion, Torrid, Walmart Fashion, Eyeless Label, Rue 21, ASOS, Schemes, Adore Me, Lysai Fit, Always Brand, Yummy Official, Hairstory Studio, Fashion Nova Curve, Shop Kill M with Curves, JCPenney, Old Navy, Sold by Jergens, Savage and Fenty, Fashion to Figure and more. On Instagram, the voluptuous model has attracted more than 51,000 followers to self-titled Instagram account. On TikTok, the talent agent has also garnered more than 250,000 followers who can't stop admiring her voluptuous body and amazing looks.